Welcome to Arya Shorthand. We are going to start dictation in 5 seconds. Start. Women empowerment refers to the process of giving women the power and opportunities to participate fully in economic, social, and political spheres. It is a means of promoting gender equality and ensuring that women have the freedom to make choices and decisions about their lives. Empowering women is essential for the overall development of society and the nation. Historically, women have been subjected to various forms of discrimination and inequality. In many parts of the world, women were denied access to education, the right to vote, and the freedom to work or express themselves. This patriarchal mindset suppressed the potential of women and limited their contributions to society. However, with the rise of awareness, education, and global movements, the importance of empowering women has gained recognition. Education plays a crucial role in women empowerment. When girls are educated, they gain the knowledge and skills needed to participate in various fields and lead independent lives. Education also helps women understand their rights and develop self confidence. It has been observed that educated women are more likely to stand up against social evils like domestic violence, dowry, and child marriage. Governments and organizations around the world have been working to increase female literacy rates and ensure equal access to education for all. Economic empowerment is another vital aspect of women empowerment. When women are financially independent, they are better equipped to take decisions about their lives and families. Employment opportunities and entrepreneurship enable women to contribute to the economy and improve their standard of living. Many women have become successful entrepreneurs, professionals, and leaders, breaking the stereotypes and proving their capabilities. Political participation is also essential for women empowerment. Representation in political and decision making bodies ensures that women's voices are heard and their issues are addressed. The presence of women in leadership roles inspires other women and promotes inclusive governance. Many countries have implemented reservation policies and quotas to increase women's representation in politics. Legal rights and protection are fundamental to empowering women. Laws against domestic violence, sexual harassment, dowry, and gender discrimination are essential for creating a safe and supportive environment. However, enforcement of these laws and changing societal attitudes are equally important. Awareness campaigns, support systems, and community involvement play a significant role in achieving this goal. Social empowerment involves challenging and changing the traditional norms and stereotypes that restrict women's roles in society. Gender equality begins at home, where both boys and girls should be treated equally and taught to respect each other. Media, literature, and cultural activities can help shape positive attitudes and promote the idea of women as equals. Women empowerment also contributes to the development of the nation. Studies have shown that countries with higher gender equality experience better economic growth, improved health indicators, and overall prosperity. Empowered women invest in their families and communities, leading to a multiplier effect on development. Despite progress, challenges remain. Gender based violence, wage gaps, underrepresentation, and cultural barriers continue to hinder women's empowerment. To overcome these, collective efforts from governments, organizations, communities, and individuals are required. Men also have a significant role to play in supporting and promoting gender equality. In conclusion, women empowerment is not just a matter of justice but a necessity for a balanced and progressive society. Empowering women means empowering humanity. Every girl and woman deserves the right to dream, to achieve, and to live with dignity and respect. It is our collective responsibility to create a world where women are not only equal participants but also leaders in every sphere of life. Stop.